What should I do now?
All right, Jannatul, can you go to the Swagger URL, please?
Yes.
Let's go ahead.
Okay, so I'm on my laptop right now. I go to those websites from my computer.
Well,
So
I don't need to know where you just need to go there and the URL.
okay. I don't know, for some reason it's not coming up.
So you go back to log into your computer where you normally do. You don't need to come to the laptop. We bought a computer for you, right? We set up your desk, right? Are you not?
Yes. Yes. I did. But I don't know, there's some problem that I cannot talk. It doesn't have the option to like unmute or mute from my.
Join from the phone.
Okay.
But you don't know the URL yet.
I do, but it's not.
Where do you store your URL?
I just take a note on my.
Why do you take? How do you take this kind of notes in the hand note? How is it?
I found that is easier for me than taking notes on like computer.
But how you do this?
Like I write it down.
No, that's not the approach. And you don't know. If you write it down, then show me now. Okay, no, take your notes and show me. Okay, that's good. Show me. Then go there.
How do I show you? I mean, just take a picture?
No. You go there. You need to visit the URL. You need to visit the Swagger URL.
Okay, but it's not coming on my laptop actually.
I already see it is wrong. You said you have written down on your notes and good, thank you. And just follow your notes and write that the whole URL here.
That is what I wrote it down and it works for me on my desktop.
Does not. There is another word is missing here. I know that.
Is it /dog?
Okay, so Jannatul, you understand now the problem is, right? I haven't touched. Thank you. You can stop. I don't like it really. So
sorry.
Play by the book. Okay, you think I don't know everything. You can stop. Thank you.